Is your external component the Newtonsoft Json version 10 DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Newtonsoft.json v10.x branch links. Access the official Newtonsoft Json version 10 diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Newtonsoft Json version 10, a version-specific build of the Newtonsoft.json library. Many applications released around 2017-2019 require this specific version binary to handle localized data serialization. Missing versions prevent the app from parsing its configuration, citing a metadata resolution error. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. If the host software cannot locate Newtonsoft Json version 10 DLL, it indicates a corruption in the Newtonsoft Json version 10.x branch subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Newtonsoft Json version 10 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Installing an unverified version of Newtonsoft Json version 10 DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Newtonsoft Json version 10 environment. To support our technical team and receive updates on Newtonsoft Json version 10 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.